Vignan Velivela is the co-founder and CEO of AtoB. We're talking about how they're transforming the fleet of operations with smarter financial tools, from streamlining payments to preparing for the rise of electronic vehicles. AtoB is reshaping the future of transportation. Let's get started. Vignan, thank you so much for joining us today on Taking Stock.
Thank you, Trinity. It's a pleasure meeting you.
It's a pleasure to have you. So let's just get right into it. Talk to me about how AtoB is really reshaping and redefining the whole sector.
AtoB started with a singular mission to transform global transportation payments. Turns out trucking industry and broadly logistics runs on a parallel banking system. So people don't use traditionally large banks for banking. They don't use the payment cards that we are familiar with. Fundamentally, we are transforming the digital operations of trucking. So we're also automating financial operations for trucking companies. Just for a sense of scale, trucking is $1 trillion industry just in North America. And it's among the most popular jobs in almost 30 states in the US. It is the silent infrastructure that's keeping everything going. So we are enabling small businesses to grow in this industry. Fundamentally, we are a payments company with a software-first approach, building more efficiency and prosperity for the industry.
I know that you work a lot with small businesses, helping them grow and scale. However, you also work with some major corporations, including Uber. You work closely with Dara Khosrowshahi and his team. So talk to me more about that partnership.
Turns out trucking has a freight marketplace model that predates Uber, DoorDash, or any of the modern marketplaces we are aware of. So some of the oldest trucking freight brokerages are like 100+ years old. Like the screens behind us, they were running on telephones and people were calling Chicago to find out where the load was. And now it's all done digitally. And Uber Freight is our key partner, and they are the largest digital brokerage, and we are their exclusive fintech payments partners.
Now, when it comes to working with small businesses, obviously one of their top priorities is, having access to transparent financials, right? But also ensuring the efficiency of their fleets. How do you go about doing that, but also leveraging your data analytics to help meet the needs and demands of your customers?
Logistics fundamentally is the world of moving atoms in an efficient way. So in the most abstract sense, we are not just a payments company, we are also a data company. So every average truck in the US has a telematics device, and they produce a ton of data about their activity. And we have shown 20+% in fuel savings just by using software-first approaches like these.
Well, a lot of important information. You're redefining the whole payment system when it comes to transportation infrastructure. We really appreciate you joining us today on Taking Stock.
Appreciate the time today. Have a good one.